Hi, welcome to the Power of Care Spotlight. I'm Larry Moliterno with Meridian Community Care, and we're here today with Lynn Burkey, who's on our staff, and he's our problem gambling expert. And you have been doing this for a number of years now. Meridian is actually one of the few agencies in the state that received this certification, and you were one of the forerunners in the state of Ohio. And we have to mention too that Lynn is going to be presenting at the state conference coming up in April, and has done it over the past number of years, and is highly recognized around the state for his expertise in problem gambling. So we're really happy to have you here today.
Well, thanks, Larry. Thanks.
One of the things that we want to talk about is we know that coming up very soon is Problem Gambling Awareness Week in the state of Ohio, and it does give us an opportunity to talk about the program that we offer here at Meridian. And I guess the obvious question is, if we think we might have a problem or we know someone who might have a gambling problem, what are some of the signs? What are we looking for?
Well, first of all, everybody that gambles does not have a problem. In fact, gambling has been a fun thing and is part of the culture in the Youngstown area for a long, long time. Where we get into trouble is when it ceases to be just recreation. It ceases to be just the social thing. We're looking at an out-of-control loss of money, maybe lies to family and friends about just how much the person is gambling, borrowing money to gamble. That's a deadly thing, and there are so many ways anymore to use other people's money to gamble. It's not uncommon for people to be $100,000, $200,000 in debt as a result of gambling, and not just going to the casino or playing cards or betting on horses. We've got folks who are dealing with the lottery. We got people who are dealing with of course, the slot machines, sports betting, and some of it's even stocks and bonds oriented, and you wonder why stocks and bonds. But in many ways today, people are using the stock market as a gambling opportunity too. So you really have to look at hard at the person. If it looks like it's a problem, it probably is.
Well, and what's interesting is that not unlike other types of addiction, we have found that this problem affects the entire family. We've seen families go bankrupt because of someone's problem with gambling.
Yeah, and because of the lies that go along with it, a lot of times families don't realize how much financial peril they're in until the sheriff puts a sign up for sale in the yard, because they're very private, very sneaky, and people may know they're gambling, but the exact nature of the losses rarely come out until they've reached the rock bottom, until there's no other access.
And I think that's our frustration sometimes as an organization, is that folks usually don't come to us to have this discussion with you until they really have hit rock bottom. And one of the things that we hope to be able to do with interviews like this and some of the other things that we're doing is just to make the community aware that this is a service that's offered. And we can provide even a free consultation for someone if they just want to talk or have a little bit of a better understanding about what this situation is.
Yeah, I consult with families, with gamblers. I'm even consulting, with lawyers and other people who are really looking to help these people get out of the situations they're in. So, yeah, we provide that consult, and the Lottery Commission through ODATIS, has provided some money also for treatment. So we try not to rule out anybody, because when they come to us because they don't have any money. So we try and make it as painless as possible to get them into some services. Group, individual, family counseling. We even do some financial planning and what we call restitution, which is payback planning with them.
Well, then we're real fortunate to have you here in our community and providing this service. And if you'd like more information about problem gambling, please check our website at meridiancommunitycare.org. And you can call us at 330-797-0070 for a free consultation. Thank you, Lynn.
Thanks, Larry.